Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and it's an interesting day so far. S&P 500, new all-time highs, of course. Dixie, nice and weak. Nasdaq, strong as well. Closer look at the Dixie over here, breaking support after support, and the big one will come up over here, I would say. Basically this high over there, this low over there. That is where the Dixie will go, and you know, before that this one is still there, but it's looking nice and weak for now. Let's take a look at the ES1 futures. Like I said, you know, broke this trend line, came down for a retest, and I guess right now this is the next resistance, and yeah, it is unbelievable, but I mean, that's what we're working with, and that's very good, you know. We're looking for correlations between Bitcoin and traditional finance. Anyway, Bitcoin right now. As you can see over here, a little bit of a double top here at 50,500, and could be a little bit of a double top for now. I think it's just a retest of these highs over here. And you can see, you know, huge volume gap all the way to 53k-ish. And that is about that. The only thing worrying me is premiums. For anything else, you know, I'm quite bullish. And you can see it over here as well, 2-hour chart. Let's go to the hourly. A little bit cleaner, but clear to see over here. And what is also, you know, playing a role in this little wick to the downside is that if this video is published, you know, exactly that time, funding is to be paid. High fundings at this moment, you know, because of the premiums and the high fundings, is to be paid at Bybit and some other exchanges. So some people, you know, are shorting those just to catch funding on the opposite side, you know. So that is about that. You know, the low that should hold is this one, basically 46k. Other than that, everything is looking mighty fine. This is from a video I made earlier, pointing out to people where I got into crypto, and that is 2013. Solana keeps on running. This box I drew a month ago, but yeah, they keep on going. Targets, you know, I mean, this is a really bullish channel, really bullish pattern over here, and I mean, they're already breaking out with hourly closes, but Solana right now breaking out target to 25. My target, you know, to the upside for Solana would be around 160. Why? Well, I'm about to show you guys real quick. Basically these highs right there, and that gives us, you know, like, yeah, 160, I would say. That is where I see Solana going right now, and on a lower time frame right now, really easy trade from right here to this high. Stop, you know, should be below there. Over here. So wrong one. Let me do it real quick. This is where you should put your stop. And a long entry here is still fine all the way to 125. And, you know, maybe 160. Ethereum being a complete chat over here. We can make a long story out of it. We can make a short story out of it. This high, they broke huge support, and right now, you know, we broke these ones already, you know, looking more clear on this time frame over here. So Ethereum looking mighty fine over here, almost no resistance left, I would say. On the hourly, support, resistance, you know, quite clear, close over there. So Ethereum, you know, is basically between these levels over here, and it's looking quite good. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin big time. Better to be seen over here, you know, you can see it quite clear. And Ethereum BTC is a complete chat. Been calling for it quite a long time. Ethereum hit resistance over there, but looking still very good. Let's go to the hourly. Does it fit on hourly? For hourly, not so nice. Ethereum looking very good over here. Big support over there. But once Ethereum goes on a run, you know, it goes quite quick. We can see that over here. And I'm expecting more upside. They just made a higher low retest of this one. And expecting Ethereum to run again. Just drawing in resistance and supports. This is support right now. This is resistance. Either way breaks first, you know, next one is up. I'm betting to the upside. Been calling for Ethereum probably the whole week already. And this is where it started, you know. I look at it grow. This is where I started about it. A few days ago, 30th of August. And this is what I was drawing yesterday. So it's looking very good right now, you know. I'm expecting more upside. FTT, all-time highs. Target, moon, simple as that. Support right now, $60. Do we see any long-term anything? Nah, it's going to $100. And that is about it. And this is very important for me for scalping and lower time frame stuff. I mean, like I said, you know, we can have another week down to, let's say, just wicking stops, you know. That is about it. Just wicking stops before funding, which is, you know, gonna happen when this video comes online. And, you know, over here, this area is giving a lot of support, you know, all these highs over here, all these stops, this area, 49k, you know, is a level that should hold. And that is basically it for today. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you guys think. Yeah, subscribe, like I said, fundings are quite high. People are a little bit greedy. And yeah, that's about it. Happy trading, guys. And see you guys again tomorrow.